Abandon? No. Lonely is part of our reality. Abandon? No. There are many activities here, schools, hospitals, and many others. Without the support of the Universal Church, we couldn't do this.
Lonely but not abandoned is how Cardinal Pierbattista Pizzaballa, the Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem, describes the situation of the Church in the Holy Land. As Christian communities continue to shrink and the wounds of war grow deeper, the Cardinal stressed the urgent need for not only political leadership, but for religious leadership that is not driven by anger or a thirst for revenge.
We have to be active with the political authorities and all those who are stakeholders in order to stop all this deterioration, continuous deterioration, of course. But what is important for us to say a clear word about the situation. It is important first of all for all the world, but also important for our community to see that their shepherds, their pastors are present, understand, and they are close.
But beyond words, Cardinal Pizzaballa emphasized, peace and reconciliation must be accompanied by concrete actions and gestures in order to rebuild trust, a trust that has been broken for many.
The life of the Christians here is becoming, day after day, much more complicated. We are spread all over the country, from Israel to Gaza, in Palestine, West Bank and Jerusalem, of course. And the challenges are connected also with the political situation, which is very problematic, as we don't have to into political now, but is a fact that the political instability, to use beautiful words, but is a disaster.
The situation has led to profound demographic and social changes. Today, the descendants of some of the oldest Christian communities in the world are now forming a shrinking minority in the region. But while they are a minority, Cardinal Pizzaballa stressed, they are alive. And more than that, they are a testimony that Christ is not only encountered in the Holy Land, but in others as well.
Where you meet the resurrected Jesus in the sacraments, as we said, but also when you see people committed to give their life for the other. Especially in this violent situation we are in Gaza, West Bank, in Israel, wherever, you meet a lot of people that despite everything, they are ready to put their life at risk in order to do something for the others, out of love for the others, concern for the others, commitment for the others. These are those that understood the meaning of Easter, giving their life out of love.
In Rome, Bénédicte Cedergren for EWTN News Nightly.